This little, if it sees me, it's gonna, you hear it calling? I think it's a Carolina Wren. Don't tell me these sandhill cranes are coming back in. Look. Can you see through the window or not? I'll wash all my windows. Damn sandhill cranes are coming back in again. Oh, I don't have some. I came out because this bird is calling me. He does when he wants food. See him right there? God damn it, I don't have my zoom. Did you see him? He was right there. Oh, he's still right there. He calls me when he wants food. So it's a Carolina Wren. I love the little guy. He might mock me, watch. See, birds have personalities. Does this every day. I think there's something he wants. Either the mealworms are gone or he just wants attention. What are you doing? Are you singing to me? He comes all the way in to my motorcycle right there. Sits on that handlebar. There's two of them. Goes back up. Now I gotta check the feed. See, that's what he's telling me. Hey, we might be out of mealworms. You guys can go with me. We'll see. I hate this pinch to zoom crap when I got a gimbal sitting here that don't want to work. He may have food. Sometimes he just calls. Where are ya? I'm going. I'm checking. Look at this stuff. There's food everywhere. Look at all that food. See, nobody will come over here. They all want to be, they want me to bring it over there. What are you doing? Where are you? Where are you? He's up there. See him up there? He is. Where the hell is he? He's walking the tree picking up ants and bugs. I don't know why he's doing all that yelling. He's always perched on my motorcycle handle when I look out the window. When I come out, he's on that metal. Oh, there he is. I think he wants to just show us what he does. What are you doing? You getting some bugs? It's nice. That's what they do. What's that? There's two. See up there? He's the one singing. I'm pretty sure they're both Carolina Wrens, but I don't have my glasses, guy. I think it's this little guy. The littlest one sits on my handlebar. You guys saw it. What is that up there? That's the woodpecker, guys. What luck. I thought it was another Carolina Wren. I'm zoomed out max, I think. Guys and girls, we're getting loaded. I'm doing nothing but making videos. You guys are going to be packed with videos. I just wish I could get this guy. Guys and gals, we got a video of the sandhill crane flying over the fence. It's going out right now with this phone. It's uploading or doing something. Can't remember, but I'm so busy. But things just keep happening today. The sandhill crane, he's here as a matter of fact. Where'd he go? Cripes. Did he just fly away when I wasn't looking? No, he's still right there. Well, guys, it's nice to see him, but I would love to see him close up. As I was starting to say, I only had like 5 or 6 gigs open on the phone. I'm always filling it up, 10 gigs a day. So then I just get them flying over the fence. Now, a short time later, something bad happens. So you'll have to watch it to see. I can't spoil you. Did you see that camera kick? What that is there's a big download going, and I probably asked it to zoom in closer a few seconds ago, and it's taking time. God, I can't stand here like this. I'm gonna have to get my tripod closer. They make a clicking noise too. What are we gonna do, guys? My arms are up in the air. Holy moly. Well, I gotta try to find my chair. That's the solution to the problem. If I can keep this on the woodpecker as I get my chair, I'm gonna do it. Guys and gals. I keep saying guys. I'm sorry, girls. Gals, girls. You know, every time I type gals or talk it, it types girls. I think that's funny. I try to type gals. Say guys and gals, not guys and girls, or do you? Anyway, where's my damn chair? Okay, guys. I'm almost there. On to the tree. Shit, I can't keep it straight. Oh, God, it did a flip. Where is he, guys? Where am I? You know, he's going to fly away as soon as I got the chair. I just got to sit down and keep still. Bird watcher now. I don't care, I like it. There's birds flying all around, but this is the guy I want. I really wish I had a better shot. I hope you guys got a big screen TV. Ooh, someone just went by. I love animals because they don't know time. They don't care. They just sit and do whatever they want. And we're all looking at our clocks. So funny. Come on, I lost total track of the... I hear him now. He's gonna do something, God. It's not a good shot. I cannot get any closer. Found something to peck on. I need to sit down, but I don't dare. He's going around the backside on us, and there's birds everywhere. Gosh. Hear the dogs across the way. Guys got hunting dogs. They want to hunt. Ooh. See how fast that was. Sorry guys, that's the best I could do. That was, my arms were killing me. 8 minutes and 46 seconds. Alright, we'll trim it up and see what we can do. Got 2 videos here. Appreciate everybody watching. I appreciate everybody subscribing. Keep watching. Oh no. Don't tell me this is going to turn into the Carolina Wren. I gotta back this thing down. I'll never see him when he gets close. He's coming down for a peanut from the looks of him, wouldn't you say? He's racing. Where is he? See that? Where are you? Come on, I see you. Come on down. Come on down. He's silly thing. Gosh, you guys could see him. The sun's not right. Come on down. I'm telling the camera to do something. Come on over here. I'll get you one. What you been doing? Who is this? Is this Fly Guy again? Or is this a stranger? This is a stranger. This is the give me a peanut on the deck guy. Come here. I can't guess. You walked all the way down here and you won't take a peanut? That's silly. See where he went, guys and gals. I don't see him. He's doing a circle around. Hey, where you going? Do you want one? I don't want one, but I don't like you. Hey, I'll leave it. Come on. He's off and running. All right, guys and gals, my arms are killing me. 10 minutes of video again. Oh, well, fun day. Carolina Wren, woodpecker in a tree, and rejected by a squirrel. All in 10 minutes. That's what happens at Squirrelhood. 3 creatures coming to see. Carolina Wren calls me out. The woodpecker just happens to be there, which is nice. The squirrel gives me a hard time. So it's all at Squirrelhood. Tell your friends, come on. Stuff happening every day around here. Subscribe, like, share. Mostly watch. Watch. Tell your friends to watch. All that stuff. Catch you later.